So here I am in Advanced Inventory Manager, where I want to quickly find and fix some overstock issues. Because, like a lot of firms, I've got too much capital tied up in stock. I need to improve cash flow, and one way to do that is to ensure my purchasing matches my actual needs. And AIM lets me do that very quickly. It'll also help me spot excess stock that I might need to sell. So let's start that here, where I can see that across my entire portfolio I have some lines with the right amount of stock, but there are way too many SKUs where I'm holding more than I need. And that's in this left-hand chart, which shows the number of product lines. But when I look here, where it's the same information but broken down by value of stock, I can see the situation looks even more serious. So let's click through to view those overstocked lines, where I can very quickly see that the value of some of those overstocked items runs into hundreds of thousands of dollars. And when I measure my rate of consumption for the last 12 months, some of those items I've not sold a single unit in an entire year. My first job is to send that report to my sales manager, or even my accountant, so I can sell those on, or even write off the stock. And my second job is to make sure my reordering strategy is appropriate for those lines. Now, AIM does that by measuring the actual rate of demand for every different SKU and comparing it to the historic lead time performance for the same product. It then calculates a unique min-max level for every product I've selected. All I do is choose my strategy. I'm going to use just-in-time methodology. And I'll tell AIM to work out new lead times based on actual data. I'll also add some safety stock buffers. Hit calculate, and there are my new min-max levels. When I click submit, my reorder quantities for those items will be instantly corrected to where they should be, which I can already see here is going to save me thousands of dollars.